Do you ever feel like you're not quite in the driver's seat of your own life? Like some invisible force keeps you stuck in the same loops, no matter how hard you try to break free? You set the same goals, you make the same resolutions, but you somehow end up right back where you started. Well, the truth is, there is a powerful force at play. It's your mind's automatic pilot. Psychologists refer to this as automaticity, where so much of what we do every single day, our habits, our gut reactions, our beliefs, runs without us consciously thinking about it. You've got the most powerful computer on the planet sitting on your shoulders, but no one ever gave you the instruction manual. In this video, I'm going to share a simple but powerful 60-second technique, using just your breath and your touch, that helps you get a little more access to that control panel. Imagine your mind is like a computer. The part you're aware of right now, your conscious mind, is the screen and the keyboard. You can type in what you want. I want to be more confident, or I need to stop procrastinating. But the real power is in the operating system running in the background, all those automatic programs and habits. A lot of this programming got its start when you were young, before you really had the ability to filter what you were learning. It shaped how you react to stress, what you believe you're capable of, and what you feel you deserve. So if you're constantly fighting self-sabotage or fear, it's not because you're weak. It's often just an old program running on its own. But here's the good news. Our brains have an amazing ability to adapt and create new pathways throughout our lives, a concept known as neuroplasticity. Your programming isn't permanently locked in. So many of us try to fix these patterns with pure willpower. We try to force ourselves to change. But that's like shouting at your computer hoping it'll rewrite its own code. It's exhausting, and it rarely works long-term because you're fighting the system instead of working with it. The issue isn't your desire to change. The problem is that your conscious goal is out of sync with your automatic patterns. Real, lasting change happens when you align the two. When your conscious intentions and your automatic habits start pointing in the same direction. The key isn't to force it, but to influence it. And to do that, you need to create the right conditions for your mind to be calm and focused on a new instruction. This is where the 60-second trick comes in. It's a simple 3-step ritual that creates a state of focused calm, allowing you to interrupt old thought patterns and introduce a new idea. Doing this first thing in the morning or right before bed can be great times for quiet reflection when you're less likely to be distracted. Step 1. The breath. Signal calm. First, we need to quiet the mental noise. When you're stressed, your body is on high alert and your brain defaults to its oldest survival programming. We need to send a signal that it's safe to relax. We'll do this with a simple breathing pattern known as box breathing. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. And then exhale for 4 seconds. Do this 4 or 5 times. This kind of slow, rhythmic breathing is a well-known technique that can help calm your nervous system. It's a simple action that tells your entire system that it's okay to stand down, making your mind more focused. Step 2. The touch. Focus the mind. Now that you're calm, we'll use a physical anchor to focus your attention. Take one hand and place it on your forehead. Then, take your other hand and place it on the back of your head. This isn't magic. It's a way to gently break out of autopilot. Your brain is used to running through the same old loops. This simple, unusual physical gesture helps interrupt that pattern. It's like a little tap on the shoulder for your mind that says, "Hey, pay attention. Something different is happening." This physical touch helps you ground yourself in the present moment and focus your awareness inward. Step 3. The intention. Set your focus. While holding this position and continuing to breathe slowly, you're going to give your mind a new target to focus on, but keep it simple. Don't use long, complicated sentences. Choose one single word that represents the feeling or outcome you want. Maybe your word is focus, or calm, or courage, or ready. Hold that word in your mind. As you continue to breathe, repeat that single word to yourself with each slow exhale. Feel the intention behind it. This isn't about forcing yourself to believe something. It's about giving your mind a clear, simple instruction in a state of deep calm. That's it. Breath, touch, intention. Just 60 seconds. I challenge you to try this every day for the next 7 days. Pick one word for the week. It takes less time than making your coffee, but the effect on your focus can be profound. You are not broken, and you are not permanently stuck. You may have just been running on old programming. You absolutely have the power to influence your inner world and update your habits. This simple trick is a first step toward becoming a more intentional director of your own life. You have the tools. Go use them. Let me know in the comments below what word you're going to choose for your first week. I'd love to see what you're all focusing on. And if you want more powerful techniques to help steer your mind, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.